Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about this habit trade. So let's stay tuned. So if you guys don't know what is habit trade, I will put down the link at below or somewhere around here. You can actually watch back my previous video about this habit trade. So habit trade, in simple terms, it is a stock market where you can use your USDT to buy stocks in trade. Okay, so let's get started. Why habit trade again? So habit trade has launched a new activities that really interests me a lot to come back and do some review on this activity. So this activity will be under here where you can see there is the activity button here. Of course, before that, if you want more rebates, remember to use my referral link. I will also put down the link at below so you guys can get more rebates out of here. Okay, so let's get started. This will be the new activities in habit trade, which is this combo VS. So you can see, right, let me talk about a little bit before that. So you can see this is a little bit about habit trade and so on and so forth, where habit trade, like I said, it is more towards the stock market where if you like to buy Tesla stock, Apple stock using USDT, this is the platform for you. Okay, so let's get into the activity combo VS. So join combo VS predict to earn. So you are predicting one or another. So it's like a combo A versus a combo B. So how do you want to join this? Very simple. Step one is you're gonna download Habit Trade on your app. It's available on iOS, on Apple and also on Android phones. So if you want to register, just go in. If you want to just download, just go into Apple Store or to Google Play Store, then look for Habit Trade app. Then you will see that there and just download it. So after you download it, then remember to complete the task. The task is very easy. So we just complete the task and get credits. Credits can be claimed by completing the task, such as opening account, depositing, and trading. One credit will be awarded for every $5. So for example, if you put in $20, then you will get 4 credits. So this is, when you put more and more and more, then you will get more credits. Okay, so you're gonna use all these credits, which is all the free points, to join this event, which is a good thing. Of course, if you want to do it for free, you can just complete the task. There is the button here where you can see, click here, me, click here to credit center. You were able to just check in to get credits. Just completing account opening, you will get credits. First deposit, you get credits. Set an avatar, you can get credits. Set a nickname, you can get credits. So all these are free credits. So remember to go in and get all these credits every single day. Even if you check in every day, you will get credits too. So after you get credits all from here, where you're gonna predict. So you're gonna be step 3, predict to earn with habit credits. Predict which of the two combos will yield better. Put the credits to support your prediction. The more credits you put in, the more price you can earn after the winning. Every 50 credits input can increase the price pool by $1. Of course, step 4, stay tuned for the result and divide the price. The price pool consists of initial bonus and the credits redemption bonus. If the prediction is correct, the price pool will be divided according to the ratio of your credit inputs in the winning combo to the total credits of the winning combo. So the price pool will be divided based on how many credits that you put in. You can see the ratio. And if you want to know more about this, you can actually click on this combo VS instruction where you can able to learn more about this. So this is actually the sample how it works, whereby you're just gonna predict one another, where you can see habit users can input the habit credits to predict one or two combos. So you can predict either, for example, Manchester United or Arsenal gonna win this match. Get what I mean? So it's very simple. Just go all the way down. You can see, even if you want to get more credits, you can actually go to this join habit trade bluebird airdrop and get more habits credit. So this is very easy. Just click on it, right? You will jump into this page whereby you just put in your account, you just put in your Twitter, you just follow their Twitter, you just like the pinned tweets of their tweets about this event, comment, join Habit Predict2Earn, Twitter task, which is to tag 3 friends, retweet the pin post, put your Telegram ID, your Telegram task, which is you're gonna join their Telegram group, send this sentence into the group. And the last one is download the Habit app and just click submit. Simple as that. Then you will get another additional credits. So by joining the Telegram and also the Twitter, you will get free credits from here. If you want, just go in and do it. So after that, once you have done it, you will see you go all the way down, right? Let me show you. You open up the apps and you will see, you click on the me button, you will see there is the banner here, Team Combo versus Predict2Earn, which is coming soon right now. So it's not yet open for anybody yet. It's coming soon, meaning that in today's episode, this is just ready, want you to be ready before the event starts. So you can create an account, you can actually go and do all the check-in, all the Twitter follow here and there to get more credits and credits and credits. So once it's open, you have enough credits to play this event. So you can see, right, this event is very easy. You just bet whether, okay, for example, petroleum or the growth trends are going to win. Or, you know, like I said, Arsenal or Manchester going to win. So if you bet, for example, you bet on petroleum, then you put on petroleum, or you bet on growth trend, it's going to be better than petroleum, just put on growth trend. So once you put in, you can see that you were able to put A or B, where you can actually input how many credits you want to bet on the certain stocks that you prefer. So for example, Tesla was, if you like Tesla, you bet on Tesla, you think Tesla is going to be better than Apple, just put on Tesla. For example, if you have 845 credits, you put in $200 credits, just click OK, and you will put predicted, you will put on, you know, for example, Tesla, and that's all. So a user can only predict once a day for each combo VS. However, you can always make a different prediction on the next day during the open period. Put it simply, you can put habit credit on both sides to diversify your risk. I mean, this is another hack way for you to win something, but I will advise you, of course, you can actually put on some stocks or some shares market that you think you're gonna be higher chances of winning. Of course, if you have the prediction, you will get a better price instead of just diversifying. This diversifying is up to you. Also, every 50 credits input can increase the price of $1. The more total input, the more amount in the price pool. So see combo VS for advanced investors. In the article below, you can check out how you can hedge the actual investment risk. Okay, so during the pending period means once you have voted the, you know, whoever that you think that you like, then you will have like a pending whereby you will enter the 3 days battling periods. So you will see that who are the best winner, which is either the combo A, which is the petroleum, or the combo B, which is the growth trend. So you can see who's the winner, and let's say after the 3 days, then it will be ended and it will shows you whether you're gonna win or you're gonna lose. If you win, then you win, you know, with 100 credits, you win up to $671. So this is actually just an example, just a sample, and this is not. Then the price of this USDT is depends on how many, the ratio that I mentioned just now and how many credits that you put in. Okay, so combo versus for advanced investors. If you look into the each of the combo in details, Habit discover tab combo, you can actually figure out the combo is just a form of investing portfolio classified by the industry. So each stock trending can equally affect the final trending of the combo, which leads to another question: how can you benefit from this? So let's say if we are having a combo versus petroleum giant versus a new energy vehicles. So and you already invested on new energy vehicles company like Tesla, for example, then you can actually put your credits into petroleum giant to hedge your risk in Tesla. So in this case, there will be mainly 4 combination of the result, which is the actual investments in stocks, you profit, and you win, profit, fail, loss, win, loss, loss. Simple as that. So this is how you actually diversify as an advanced trader. Okay, so after all, there is only 25% chances that you will bear all the losses. Remember that habit credit costs nothing because it's just a credit. It's free. When you when you do all the tasks, you get all these free credit, so you will lose nothing in the end. Okay, so all these are straightforward. I think it's just like betting player or banker wins in casino. Betting Manchester or Arsenal win by using free credits. And these free credits, if you really win, then you can get real USDT, real money, and the money is really depends on how much credit that you put in. Okay, so if you ask me, definitely worth to try. This campaign is gonna be launching on 4th of June. So remember, before even the event starts, I will recommend you to go down the link below, description below, click on the register link, put my invitation code and register account, do all the free credits like check in, set up your nickname or so whatsoever to get more credits as much as possible. If you want to deposit, go ahead, deposit more as much as possible. When the 4th of June comes in, then you have a lot of credits to bet AOP. So if you win, another extra money, you know. So it's something nice, I would say. Some people prefer to play stocks instead of crypto. So yeah, no harm trying. I think Tesla stock is doing very, very good right now. It's worth buying to keep long term. Okay. I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research, and I think that's all for today's episode. So if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.